Huh?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mia and you're watching MamaaMeah. MamaaMeah. Here we go again. Mama, how can I forget you? So today I am coming with another hair tutorial. As you can see, my hair is already washed and blow dried. We're going to try goddess braids, which I have previously did, but for this goddess braid look, I'm going to actually try to use crochet hair instead of braiding hair and dipping with rods, which was ghetto as hell. I know, you guys told me like, this is wild. But yes, today I am using crochet hair with my goddess braid, so it will be like a tradition. It'll be more a traditional goddess braid look. I am using rubber bands, and everybody did show concern last time I used rubber bands about it pulling and all this other things, but the rubber bands does not pull my hair. You guys know how particular I am with my hair, and I would never put my hair in danger. I love my hair. So what I usually do is I just dip the rubber bands in oil, or lay them out and spray a little oil over them. They'll eventually pop, or they just won't be as tight, and that's how I protect my hair from the rubber band method. So yes, let's just jump right into the video. If you're not subscribed already, please press the subscribe button. Yeah, please press the subscribe button, period. Okay, like the video, make sure you comment and let me know what you guys think of the video. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy. Bye. You'll need hair clips, a comb, an edge brush, scissors, gel for your baby hair, rubber bands, something to keep your hair moisturized. I used my Curly Shirley Custard. Edge control. I ordered this edge control from a black owned business, so if you guys would like to support, I'll leave all the information down below. This is not a paid promotion. I ordered this with my own money and I absolutely love it. Braiding hair. I use burgundy braiding hair and it's by Hollywood Braid. 3 in a pack as always. Altogether I used 2 packs of hair. For my little curls up top, I used a deep twist crochet hair. I'm not 100% sure of the name of the company, but all my information will be in the description box. By parting your hair, and then you're gonna do the first box section. Of course, it's important for you to know exactly how big you want your braids exactly, and what you have in mind. You have to envision it, because while you're parting, you don't want to do a part that's too big or a part that's too small for the size of the actual braids that you want. Listen, you don't want none of your boxes to overlap each other. You don't want them stacked on top of each other. So always make sure that your part is not directly on top of the lower part. So that's what I'm showing you right now, is that my boxes aren't really on top of each other. They're not in uniform. And I'm just showing you one last example of what I mean, how not to put your boxes for your parting right on top of each other. I just wanted to make sure you guys understood, because if your boxes are on top of each other, it's going to look like it's gaps in your head. And we don't want that, sis. We do not want that. So please pay attention to where you're putting your parts. Before I start actually parting my hair and styling my hair, you guys know I always do my baby hair first. And I do have a video on my baby hair, so I'm not going to spend too much time on this section. I'm just showing, like, if you do baby hair, make sure that you do that first and style that first before your actual parting. So just a quick tip, when you're doing your hair, always apply edge control the same direction your baby hair is going, because if you go against the grain, it's not gonna look sleek and neat. It's not gonna look good at all. Look how easy my hair just laid down, and I don't even use a lot of edge control. I love this stuff. So how the twist comes, it comes in individual twists because it's crochet hair. So what I did was I took one twist and divided it into 3. I didn't want really thick full curls up top. I just wanted more of like a hint of a curl. So I used small pieces per braid, and I only did like 4 pieces altogether. I have a video on my box braids that's very recent, so I didn't want to go over how I applied my box braids. This is more so to show you how I was able to add the goddess curl on top of the braid. So this is me showing you as I fed in more braiding hair. I also added the curly hair. And then a couple laps after braiding, I just pulled out the curly hair, which was really easy because it was a whole different texture than a braiding hair, so it wasn't getting mixed up or blended or anything. I did a couple more laps in the braiding, and then I decided to pull out the other end of the curl. And this is me showing you how I routed my ends. I didn't go into detail. It's pretty simple. Y'all know what's up. So this is the finished product, and to be 100% honest, I was extremely iffy on them at first. And you guys know how I am. I'm like, y'all know I can't braid. So regardless, I'm going to post the end results. Like, kind of turned down. I'm like, why don't I like my braids? And what it was that my hair is black and the braids are burgundy, obviously, but I don't know how to tuck. So like some of the braids I was able to tuck like this, and then some like looked a little crazy like this. So what I did was I just got some embroidery floss and I covered it. And I love them so much more now. So I covered the ones that I wasn't able to tuck because they was looking real raggedy at first. And I was like, I don't like this. But now it's super cute. I like it, so period. Yeah, this is real cute. It's real. Oh, and I lied, y'all. I curled the ends. I curled the ends with rods. I didn't like how tight this curl was at the bottom, so I just decided to put this at the top and curl the ends, which I like I'm still cute. Like, so thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. Let me know what other videos you guys would want. Bye.